I wanted to talk about Atelier Des Ors and this vanilla collection. So I kind of want to talk to you about the differences between these two vanillas because over 11 years ago, they came out with what I think is one of the finest vanilla perfumes ever, and it is called Lune Féline. And it's one that is on everybody's vanilla lists. Lune Féline has always been on that list. Always been on that list. So let's revisit it real quick, and then we'll talk about Vanille Novea. You have a perfume that looks just like this. It has gold flakes swimming in here, but not only that, the atomizer itself will allow these gold flakes to actually project through the atomizer onto your skin, so you actually get the gold flakes on your skin as well. In fact, I think I just saw one fly out of the atomizer. I don't know how they do it, but that's amazing. So first of all, let's just revisit this. It's a very warm, almost spicy vanilla. I see this being so good for the fall as well. So Marie Salmania did such a fantastic job with this one. You have cardamom and cinnamon. There's a spiciness of pink pepper. There's woodsy notes, ambergris, styrax, cedar, and green notes, but it's all about the base. It's Tahitian vanilla, Peru balsam, and musk. Without a doubt, this one is on the top of many lists, but our friends at Atelier Des Ors, well, it's time for a new vanilla, something new. They came out with literally what it means is new vanilla or Nouvelle Vanilla. So it's like a new vanilla. So let's pull it off here and revisit this. This one also has what they have is the seahorse, that's like a famous thing for the brand. And if you say, well, I've never seen a seahorse before on the brand, are you sure? Look at the box, look at the top, look at all of the caps. They all have the seahorse on there. There's some folks that smell this perfume and think that this kind of smells like something that's not so good. That's perfectly fair, because for some people, and it's your skin chemistry, it's your nose, it's your perception, you're 100% okay to have your own, and you're entitled to your own opinion when it comes to the way things smell. In this sense, you have a vanilla that's very bombastic. The musk is a big part of this. So it's a musky vanilla, but lots of different kinds of vanilla are happening here. There's a mineral accord, mimosa, blue vanilla nature print, bourbon vanilla absolute, Madagascar vanilla, ambery woods, and musk. This is a super sexy vanilla. And I think if you're looking for something that's kind of loud, super sexy, that is this. This was also done by the same perfumer, Marie Salmania. So there you have it. And if you're interested in getting yourself one as well, you can get it wherever Atelier Des Ors is sold. Make sure to check them out, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.